Chaba. My name is Ratanun Kasut. My diary of routine. I wake up at 5 o'clock. I take a bath at 5:30 a.m. I get dressed. I have breakfast at 6:30 a.m. I go to school by bus at 6:30. I assembly at 4 at 7:45. I start to study at 8:30 a.m. I have lunch at 11 a.m. I I leave school at 4 p.m. I go back home at 5 p.m. I go to school. I go to my homework at 8:30 p.m. I have dinner. I go to bed at 11 p.m.